Hello everybody and welcome back to another vlog. So, literally getting straight into it, I need to get my life together a wee bit. Like, today is my one day off work and like my room's a mess, my life's a bit of a mess. I evidently need a shower, I need to walk the dog, I need to wash my clothes, I need to I need to pack. That is all dirty washing. That is stuff I need to pack. Like, it is a bit of a chaotic mess, but I'm feeling like I get this like once a month, like where I feel like I could literally take over the world and just complete every single task. So it is currently 2 p.m. but I'm gonna put some Olivia Dean on and I'm gonna get to sorting my room out. But yeah, I'm very stressed because I go back to uni on Friday. I feel like I've kind of forgot that I have a degree. I haven't done tons of work over Christmas. I'm very fortunate that I don't have January exams. Like at least this year, I had exams last year, but this year, my degree is 100% coursework. Have I done much of that coursework? No, like you didn't even need to guess. No, I haven't. Tonight, probably gonna have a late one because my sleep schedule's messed up. And get some coursework done. But anywho, enough chit chatting, let's get started. Lovely, I'm all showered and I've diffused my hair. Look how curly it's gone. Anyway, we've got about an hour of sunlight left. So I'm gonna quickly do the washing up now because I know that if I come back I won't want to do it. So it'll probably take me 20 minutes. And then we're gonna walk the dog. Don't say it too loud. Don't say it too loud, hey, because you'll know what's going on then, won't you? You'll know what's going on. Right. Look how much there is to do. Gosh, I can't wait to have a dishwasher. We're moving house in February and we're moving towns actually, and the house needs a new kitchen. And best believe we'll be getting a bloody dishwasher. Let's get to it. I'm gonna put the Alexa on. Alexa, play Olivia Dean.
Shuffling Olivia Dean and similar artists on Amazon Music.
Let's get to it. Gosh, it's pretty icy in it. Oh. Guys, these temperatures are no joke. Beautiful. I love a clear day like this. Good to get out of the house as well, even though sometimes the cold weather makes you feel like you don't want to. It's always good to get out. Although we'll be on the move soon, child, because I'm a bit bloody cold. So beautiful. It is actually so gorgeous. I want to get some photos of all the mountains because the sky's so clear. I do need to invest in a bigger lens though, because I've only got a 16-50mm, I think. Yeah, 16-50mm. And I want to get a bloody massive mega 300 one, but that'll come in time. I've now got a feast. Oh my gosh. I've now got a feast for a very, very late lunch. It's like nearly 5 p.m. But I've got little kimchi pieces from Aldi on sourdough with guacamole and rocket. And then some fruit and nut and a Pepsi. Like, wow. Potentially not the most nutritious, but definitely the most delicious. Oh my gosh, tears are forming, tears are formed. I've started to pack for uni and I've realised I really don't want to go back. I really don't want to go back. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I don't know what it is because I usually love uni, and I remember this time last year I was gagging to get back to uni. Like, I could not wait, and this year it's not the same at all, and I couldn't even pinpoint why. I'm just like, I genuinely don't want to go back. Like, I just want to stay at home. Oh, sorry guys. The vibe has took a turn. Good morning. It is 10 AM on Tuesday. So last night I was very, very productive, and then I ended up doing some coursework for a little bit, and then sort of planned my day today. I completely forgot I was meant to have a netball match last night. I was meant to have one at 8 PM, and one of the girls off my team rang me and was like, where are you at? I completely forgot to go. I just completely left my mind. But anyway, today I'm gonna go walk down by Derwent Water, just because I felt like having a lovely little winter walk. So mother's been dropped off at work. I'm gonna go for a walk around Derwent, into town, see if there's some cute little shops I want to go into. But I'm gonna put my boots on actually because it's very cold and frosty. I don't know if you can see like all the snow. Well, it's not snow, it's like, well, a bit of it is snow, but it's mainly ice and sleet. But I think we're gonna get some really lovely photos. So I've got my spare battery. I'm gonna go get some photos. I'm wrapped up so warm as well. This car's actually a bit warm. I actually can't wait to get out. So I'm gonna put my boots on and then we're gonna make a move. The lake is so beautiful. It is like almost completely frozen. I've never seen it like this. But the whole bloody fire engine and ambulance and a police car have all shown up, because I don't know if you saw, there were some lads pissing about in the middle of the lake. If you get any ideas, absolutely do not. Don't even attempt it. Like, it's just so silly. And by the sound of their accents, they're local lads as well, which just makes it even more silly, because I don't know what their parents are, you know, I don't know what's going on there, but potentially an unpopular opinion, but I actually think I prefer winter walks to summer walks. Like, I just love it being all frosty and like, I don't know, it's just perfect. Hello everybody, it's been a minute. It's now Wednesday, 4:15. Can't honestly remember what I did last night, so we're just I don't know, just use your imagination. I think I just watched a movie and I went to bed pretty early because I had to be at work this morning for, where is my tripod? Oh, it's there. I had to be at work this morning for 5:30, but it was my final shift ever. I can't believe that's my final shift. I've nearly worked there for 2 years, so it was a little bit, not emotional, but I think I'm not really sad about leaving that shop. It's just, I don't know, to be honest, I loved that job. I really, really did. Like, it's my favourite job I've ever had. Sorry, I'm trying to adjust and do all this at the same time, and really I should just pick one or the other, shouldn't I? I should really just pick. But it was like my favourite job I've ever had. I love the people there. I don't know, it's quite sad, isn't it? Like, I just want everything to stay the same, and it's not. Like, everything's changing. I'm moving house. I'm gonna have to get a new job. I'm further away from some of my friends. And then uni's just stressing me out as well. And like, the next time I come home, like, it's not like I'm part of the moving process. When the next time I come home, I'm gonna be in a different house and my room's just gonna be different. Anyway, I'm making some gifts for my 2 shift leaders. I would have loved to get everybody a gift, but guys, we run a strict budget around these parts, okay? One of my supervisors, she gets me a gift every time I leave. So basically, the shop I work in, I just work like Easters and Christmases and like summer and stuff. So I like come and go, come and go, come and go. She gets me a leaving gift every time I come and go. So I've been given like 3 or 4 leaving gifts now, and I just think this is nuts because I'm literally coming back. But she's so, so generous. And then my other shift leader, she got me a Christmas present last year, and they are just genuinely the 2 loveliest, kindest people ever, and I genuinely, like, I just love them so much. And I think it's only right. Oh no, I've ripped a bit of the card. Oh, bugger. I think it's only right that I got them some gifts. So look, I got in B&M, look at these beautiful little gift bags. Maybe a bit Christmassy, but I thought they were well cool. Then I got a thank you card, I love that one, for each of them. I've just ripped that a little bit, whoops. And then I got them both a foaming body wash. I got 2 different scents. I got pomegranate whip and pineapple whip. It's like the daisy stuff. I've got one of these on my stocking fillers this year at Christmas. It's like the perfect shaving cream. It actually smells unreal. I've got like the coconut vanilla one, but I thought because it says daisy on as well, not the same spelling, but they can just think about me in the shower. Oh, maybe not. So I got them both a little hand duo cream. All of this was on offer in Boots as well, guys. Like, actually get yourselves there. I've also got, can you show alcohol on YouTube? I don't know, just use your imagination, because I don't know if I can. I've got one of my supervisors 2 Smirnoff like Raspberry Crush little tinnies, because she loves those. And then I'm gonna get my other supervisor her favourite bottle of wine. And I got them a scratch card each to go into their cards. Also, my new parcel has arrived from Blossom Perfumery. It's my favourite place for dupe perfumes. I am a slag. I'm a slag for Jean-Paul Gaultier. But Blossom Perfumery, this is literally not a bloody ad, but I will lick their arse. That's a horrible way to have... Come on, think of something else. I just love them, okay? That's the description you're getting, so I can't think of an appropriate one. I've run out of my favourite Jean-Paul Gaultier perfume, and the uni budget does not allow me to repurchase it currently. Stop it. Unbelievable. I need to stop with the chit-chatting. I'm going to make up these little presents. I'm going to put the little stuff in the little bags, and then get changed. I need to have a shower at some point tonight. Good lord. Ooh, guys, I'm actually like dying. I'm barking like your bloody dog, but anyway, it is nearly 10 o'clock and I'm shattered because I have been up really early this morning. I've started, you legit cannot see me. I've started rewatching Game of Thrones and I'm just peeking out in bed really. I'm quite tired, so I do think I'm gonna nod off in a minute. It's now the next day. I'm about to play a mega game of Tetris because my mum kindly, thank you Leanne, oh my god, my battery's gonna die. Well, that's no good to bloody anybody, is it? My camera's literally gonna die. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna wrap the video up anyway. I'm about to play a mega game of Tetris because my mum has kindly done all my washing to go back to uni, but I haven't packed any of it and I kind of forgot about all of it, so now I need to somehow repack my entire bag with all the stuff that has now been freshly washed. I'll be back at uni tomorrow, so we'll be back to some uni vlogs. You're going to see some great lock-in videos. January is the perfect time. I don't have January exams, but all my housemates do, which is just perfect because they are the laziest sods ever. The only time they lock in is for their exams in January. So it means we can all go to the library together and everybody's locked in, and I'm a proper monkey see, monkey do. I need to see other people studying for me to study, which is why I struggle to do it so much at home. So I'm kind of giving myself a break because I know that I'm a good student when I get back and I do lock in when I get back. I don't do much work at home, it's just too chilled out for me. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next vlog, which will probably be a uni vlog. Yeah. Love you and leave you guys. Stay blessed, stay happy, stay nice and warm in this weather. Crikey, be careful on the roads. Love you, bye.